The third method of measurement is to do a grid drawing. This is best for copying images, as you will do time to time for practice. Once you've chosen a work of art to copy, make a photocopy of it. You can use anything to copy, a painting, a print, a sculpture. This happens to be a sculpture by Michelangelo called the Pietà. So I've made my photocopy, and once you've made your photocopy, take your straight edge ruler and mark every inch across the top. We'll be making a 1-inch grid, so mark every 1-inch mark. Across the top, across the bottom, and across the sides. And, of course, after you've done this, line up your marks and draw a straight line between them. And when you're done, you'll have a grid on top of your photocopy. So what you do then is make a grid on your paper as well, so that you have a matching grid between your paper and your photocopy. And then when you're done erasing your grid, go back and render the values you see in the work with your pencil. So this value here is rather dark. You can use cross-hatching or just fill in the area. Oops. That should be a little lighter. So I'm using my eraser to put the light area back in. So after you render the values that you see, put the copy up next to the original and look at it from about 12 feet away, or set it on a table and squint at it. And look back and forth between the copy and your photocopy and see if your tones are relatively the same. If not, make your darks. If it's not dark enough, of course, make your darks, the darkest areas dark. Make sure you have a full tonal range, and that includes the darkest darks to the lightest lights and lots of values in between.